Welcome back guys to another video of SQL interview questions. Yesterday we have completed 10 questions and in today's video we are trying to complete or at least 20 more questions, and let's see how much time it will take. So let's begin. So the question that we have on our computer screen is, we have to find the customers who are from Delhi. Means, what is customer here? Customer is going to be the table name, as we have discussed earlier, that what are the table names and how the tables, we fetch the data from the table. So in this question we have to find the customers who are from Delhi. Delhi is the data in any table. Delhi is the name, city name. So we have to find the customers who belong to Delhi. Where it is not given which particular column, so we have to find all customers who are from Delhi. So in what way we write the query? First we will write select. Now what we want, all the customers. So asterisk from where, what is the table name? So we have the table name here as customers. Now we will be using where clause, because we have the condition, we have to find the customers who are from Delhi. So we will be writing here where city, what is the name of the city? Delhi. So this is the answer for this question. In this way we can find the customers who are from Delhi. Moving on to the next question. So this is the answer. You can also see that select asterisk from customers where city is equal to Delhi. Moving on to the next question. The next question is we have to count the customers per city. So in this questions we are going to use a different type of clause, that is going to be group by. Group by clause is used to merge or combine the, according to the condition, what kind of similar data do we want in a table. So we have to what? Count. Count is an aggregate function, we have already discussed earlier. Customers is the name of the table per city. We have to group all the customers and count them according to the city. So what we will be writing? Select according to city. We have to tell what is the number of count. One column will be for city and another column is going to be counting. We will be counting all from where, what is the name of the table? From customer, the table name. Now we have to count as per, what is the condition? We are not writing here the condition, we are grouping it by. So using the function, using group by, and what we have, city, name of the column. Now by writing this query we can get the customer numbers, the number of customers who belong to a particular city. For example, in a table we have 7 people belonging to Mumbai, 3 people belonging to Delhi. So this function will give only in the output 2 rows and column, 2 columns, one the city and one will be the count. Means Mumbai will be in front of the Mumbai, there will be 7 because we have count all the number peoples or all the customers who belong to the particular city. And in the next column row there will be the peoples who are from Delhi and the count will be 3. So this is the way how we calculate the count the customers per city. So let's see what is the output for this. As the answer is same as we have discussed, the selecting city and counting the number of customers according to the city. Moving on with the next question. The next question we are having, we have to find the customers whose name start with S, like Suresh, Sudeep. The first letter of each name. So start with S. We have to find and fetch the data from it. So what we have to find? We have to select all the customer from, what is the name of the table? Customers. Where? Because we are given the condition that according to what we have to find, where name, and now we are using a new clause that is called like clause. Like clause is used to fetch the data which satisfy the following conditions which we write. So in this condition we have to calculate, we have to customers whose name start, we have to fetch the data whose name start with S. So where name like, what like whose name start with S, and in front other than S anything can be there. The name can be anything, means the first from the second letter to n labels, we can say the n letters, it can be any. So we will write percentage. Percentage is used to denote any number of letters. So and but the starting should be from S. So we can see what's the output. Yeah, the output is same, that select extract from customers where name like as extra. Moving on with the next question. The next question is customers with null phone number. The equation, the question is same as we have done earlier, but only here we are using the null clause. So what we have to find? The customers with null phone number. So we have to select all the customers from customers where phone with null. So for null we will write is null. So this is the query that is for this question. We can also check, yes, the query is correct. Select extract from customers where phone is null. Moving on with the next question. The next question we have to write the query for orders between 2021 and 2023. So orders is the name of the table. These are the two conditions. This is the aggregate function, and so let's write the query for this. So starting with the select, we have to find all from, what's the name of the table? Orders where what we are given, between date we have given, so we can write order date. Between, we are going to here use another clause known as between, because it is given. We have to find between in a range. So between clause is used for range between 2021 and, this is going to be a string. 2021 and 2023 is not an integer value, it is a string. So it will be 2020, between 2021 and 2023. So this is the query for this. So let's see. Yes, the same we did, only is a change in this format, because if the table is given to you during the interview, it might be given, it might not be given. If it is given, then according to what format it is given, you can change the values here, else you can write by your own, but the query should be correct. Moving on with the next question. We have to write a query to increase all product prices by 5%. Yeah, this is something new. We are going to use a DDL function that is going to be update. What we have to increase all the product price means we have to update the value. For updating the value, we use update command. So we will write update. What we have to update? Products set what we have to update? Prices by 5%. So prices multiply 1.05. Yeah, by writing this query we can increase the product price by 5%. This is the table name. This is the name of the table. Product is the name of the table. Moving on with, let's see what is the output for this. Yes, it is correct. Update product set price is equal to price into 1.05. And what we have written, set price, oh, set price is equal to, we will forget to write here, price is equal to price multiplied by 0.45. So moving on with the next question. Delete discontinued products. So what we have to do in this question, we have to delete. So using the delete function we are using, from where products, what is the status, discontinued. We have to main focus on these three things. We have to delete from products and where the status is discontinued. So the query for this will be select. No, we are not going to select, we are going to delete. So delete from products where status, what is the status here? Status should be discontinued. Yeah, by writing this we can delete the discontinued products from the tables product. This delete from the product where status is equal to disconnected. Moving on with the next question. The next question we are having is insert a new customer record. So in this we have to add another row of a customer record of the customer. So using the insert function, insert command, insert, what we have to insert, we have to insert into, what is the table name, customers. What we have to insert in customers, let's see, we have 3 columns. We will be inserting name, city and phone. What we have to insert in these 3 things, we have to insert values. And what will be the values? Let's say the values are Harsh, city is Agra, and phone number is, your phone number can be anything. So in this way you can insert a new record in your table. Let's see what was the, so yeah, this is the insert into customers, name, city, phone number, phone, values. As we've discussed earlier, what are these things? These are the answers. Okay, moving on with the next question. We have to write query for finding the top 5 most expensive products. So expensive products, table name, top 5, we are given the limit that we have to find only the 5. Expensive means the prices which are high, means we have to go from top to bottom. So from going top to bottom, what we use, descending, means we are decreasing the value, means in descending order. For writing the descending, what clause we use order by clause. So, and what we have to find, top 5. So using the limit clause we can find only the top 5. So the query for this will be going to be like select asterisk from, table name is products, order by price in descending order, and How many we want? We want 5. So we can write limit 5. So in this way, we can write the answer for this question. Let's see, select asterisk from products where order by price descending order, limit is 5. Moving on with the next question, join orders and customers. The join clause, or we can say the join functions, are very important during your interview. Most of the without this topic, without join topic, I don't think any interviewer is going to use or ask you any other question than this. Are you